I've been here since kindergarten at T.M. Clark Elementary, the one down the street. I love the school and how everybody just like treats you how you're supposed to be treated. The teachers are really kind, especially in 7th grade. They kind of get what you're feeling. Like if you're stuck on something, they kind of feel how you feel and they try to help you through it and find solutions for you. I do club volleyball and I am going to try out for basketball next year. And I'm thinking about doing track. I love everybody. I love my friends, I love my coaches, especially my coaches. I really look up to them. They're like the biggest role models for me and my parents. I personally love science because whenever you're working, you get to do hands-on stuff, so you get to actually experience what you're working with, and I think that's really cool and how people put it that way. I love being a leader in all things possible. I try to step up as much as I can with people. Like if somebody's struggling with something like homework or how to do an exercise, I try to put myself out there and help out. I do this sport called All-Star Cheerleading. It's kind of like my home away from home. Whenever I'm feeling down or I'm not having a good day, I just go to the gym and get some reps in. I really want to become a professional volleyball player in college. I'm really looking up to Texas volleyball. I think all I need to do is just train as hard as I can and be confident in myself. And I think that's like one of my biggest dreams that I want to do.